Hi, my respected friends. Today's draw of Emirates Lottery. I am come up with the best two strategies and also with my prediction, which is going very helpful for you in your selection. So please look it carefully. Before starting, I congratulate my members who made four numbers in yesterday Mahzooz draw. Friends, number one strategy: whenever the second number and last number, I mean first number from right side and sixth number from right side is same. After that, in next draw, this routine gives us the best numbers for exact place. Let's see how it's work. You can see in first draw, when draw was held on 25th September 2021, first number 8 and sixth number 8 from right side was same. You can see we will take fifth number from right side, that is 4. I write here 4. Its home figure is 9. 4 home figure is 9. This number in next draw is first number from right side, and this number will come last number from right side, 4. In the next draw you can see 9 number came as the first number from right side and 4 number came as the last number from right side. Second time it was happened on 20th February 2020 draw. 9 number came as the first number from right side and as well as 9 number came 6 number from right side. Both numbers are same. We will repeat the same procedure. Take this number, fifth number from right side, 3. This number will come last number from right side, and 3 home figure is 8. This number will came first number from right side. You can see the result on next week. 8 number came as the first number from right side and 3 number came last number from right side. Now you can see it's happening again in our previous draw. The first number from right side and sixth number from right side is same, 5. We again repeat this same procedure. Take this number, fifth number from right side, 8. 8 home figure is 3. Now according to this routine, 3 number came as the first number from right side and 8 number came last number from right side according to this routine for the coming draw. Next thing is, you can see it detects the same number to sixth number from right side. When same thing is happen, 9, 9, again 2 number came as a sixth number from right side. Now according to this routine, the 2 number should come 6 number from right side. Another thing is, you can see 6 number came fourth number from right side, then decrease 2 time is 4. Decrease 2 time 5, 4. Okay. This number will come in next draw when first number and sixth number came same. The 4 number will come as the fourth number from right side. After that, decrease 2 time 4, 3, 2. This 2 should come according to this routine. 2 number should come fourth number from right side. Now move on second strategy. This is our second strategy. Friends, whenever came fifth number and last number same from right side, it's totally happened 3 times. First 16 October 2021, when this thing is happened, these two numbers plus with each other, 6 plus 6 is 12, 1 plus 2 is 3. This 3 minus with first number from right side, 3, 7. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. In next week draw, this number will come first figure from right side. 4 was passed. Again 22 May 2022, fifth number and last number from right side is same. Then plus them. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 minus with this first number from right side, 9 minus 4 is 5. This number will come in next row, first figure from right side, and 5 was passed. Now again this thing is happening. The fifth number and last number is same from right side. Plus them, 7 plus 7 is 14. Make single figure, 1 plus 4 is 5. Minus with this first number from right side, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. This 0 according to this formula will come first number from right side in our upcoming draw of Emirates lottery. In first strategy you can see the 3 number should come first number from right side. In second strategy the 0 number should come first from right side. Now from two different formulas we got two numbers, powerful numbers, 3 or 0. 3 or 0 should come first number from right side. Now we will go to selection table and see the powerful number for exact places. Friends, according to my research, the first number from right side I have 3 best number. Number 1 is 0. Number 2 is 3. And number 3 is 6. Second number from right side, number 1 is 6. Number 2 is 1. And number third is 7. Third number from right side, number 1 is 0. Number 2 is 5. And number 3 is 6. The fourth number from right side, number 1 is 2. Number 3 is 7. And number third is 3. Fifth number 1 is 6. Number 2 is 1. And number third is 9. Sixth number 1 is 2. Number 2 is 0. And number third is 7. Last, number 1 is 8. Number 2 is 3. And number 3 is 9. Friends, these are my best number for every place. My best lines for you. Best lines. Number 1 is 8 2 6 2 0 6 0. Number 2 is 8 2 6 2 0 6 3. And number third is 2 8 6 2 0 6 0. Number 4 is 2 8 6 2 0 6 3. These are my best lines for you.